Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this short video guys, I'm going to guide how to reduce your image size on Windows 11 or 10, whichever version of Windows you are using. So let's say this is 2.13 MB, the PNG file, or we can say this is the thumbnail we have. So how we can reduce its size to 2 MB or like that. Just open any browser, whichever you use, and type there size reducer and go to first link here, which I already opened here, and select, you need to select the image here. This will be your path, and you need to select that image, which is its name. You can just copy and paste here simply, and we can look for that option here. With the search we got it, we open it. Now selected image, and now here is the percentage, how much percentage you are going to reduce it. The quality is 90%. I want to make it as 2 MB, so 95 will be good for me. JPG, you can choose whichever you like. I'm going with PNG. Now let's go with JPG, and now let's open it and let's see the size now, and it has reduced from 2 MB to, as you can see, 339 MB, and even the quality of image is not faded up. It's very good. And when I show you the original image here, this option, both look same, and you can see. So this is how you can reduce the size of your image, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.